Distinguished Senator Godswill Akpabio, GCON, President of the Senate, Distinguished Senate President, request for confirmation of ministerial nominee. In compliance with the provisions of Section 147, subsection 2 of the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, 1999, as amended, I am pleased to forward to the Senate the nomination of Dr. Kingsley Tochukwu Ude, San, Senior Advocate of Nigeria, for confirmation as Minister of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. While I hope that this request will receive the usual expeditious consideration of the Senate, please accept, Distinguished Senate President and distinguished senators, the assurances of my highest regards. This is signed by Bola Ahmed Tinubu, President, Commander-in-Chief of the Armed Forces of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, and is hereby referred to the Committee of the Whole for immediate consideration.